everyone, in this video we are going to learn about the probability of mutually exclusive events. The probability of the union of two events is probability A union B equals to PA plus PB minus PA intersect B. In this example, we want to find the four probabilities by using the given PA, PB and PA intersect B. Question A is probability A union B, which is equals to PA plus PB minus PA intersect B. So just substitute the values and calculate the answer. Question B is PA intersect B prime, which means the complement of PA intersect B. So it equals to 1 minus PA intersect B. Then calculate the answer. Question C is PA union B prime, which is equals to PA plus PB prime minus PA intersect B prime. We had to find the formula for PA intersect B prime by using the Venn diagram. Since it is A intersect B prime, so we shade inside the circle A first, then shade B prime, which is outside the circle B. The intersection of A and B prime is the area where there are two lines intersect each other. So PA intersect B prime equals to PA minus PA intersect B. Substitute the values and calculate the answer. Question D is probability A prime intersect B. We had to use the Venn diagram to find the formula. Since it is A prime intersect B, so we shade A prime, which means outside the circle A. Then shade B, which is inside the circle B. The intersection of A prime and B is the area where there are two lines intersect each other. So PA prime intersect B is equals to PB minus PA intersect B. Substitute the values and calculate the answer. For this example, we had to define the events first by let F be the event of female person selected and M be the event of married person selected. A total of 765 persons means that the number of sample space is 765. 260 are female, means that the number of female is equals to 260. 289 are married, means that the number of married is 289. 172 are female and married, means that it is the number of intersection female and married. And now we want to find the probability that the selected person is a female or married. This is probability F union M, which is equals to PF plus PA minus PF intersect M. Each of these probabilities must be divided by the number of sample, 765. Then substitute the value and calculate the answer. The answer can be in fraction or decimal number, up to 4 decimal places. In this example, we define the events first. We will use Venn diagram to solve this probability. From the question, 7 are in sport team and school band. So write 7 in the intersection of sport team and school band. 16 involved in sport teams. The 7 people just now are included in these 16 people. So the other 9 people only involved in sport team. Make sure that there is total of 16 inside the sport team circle. 10 people in school band. So there are only 3 people who involved in school band only. The total must be 10 in school band circle. Altogether, there are 28 people. However, we only have 19 in Venn diagram. So the balance 9 pupils do not involve either in sport team or school band. For question A, the probability that a pupil chosen is only in school band is 3. So the probability is 3 over 28. For question B, the probability that a pupil chosen is either in sport team or school band is probability T union B. So there are 19 altogether. Then the probability is 19 divided by 28. For question C, the probability that a pupil chosen is neither in sport team nor the school band means that the pupil did not involve in any team. And it is probability T union B prime. Since this is the complement of probability T union B, so the answer is 9 over 28. Events that cannot occur together are called mutually exclusive. For example, an event to get an even number and odd number in an experiment. For two mutually exclusive events, A intersect B is null. Thus, probability A intersect B is equals to 0. Mutually exclusive event can be represented as Venn diagram, where we can see that A and B do not intersect each other. By using the law of probability, we know that probability A union B is equals to PA plus PB minus PA intersect B. When A and B are mutually exclusive, probability A intersect B is equals to 0. Thus, probability A union B equals to PA plus PB. Given the probabilities PC, PD, and PC union D, determine whether C and D are two mutually exclusive events. To determine whether they are mutually exclusive, we had to find probability C intersect D. By using this formula, substitute the values and calculate for probability C intersect D. Since probability C intersect D is equals to 0, therefore C and D are mutually exclusive events. Probability C prime is the complement of probability C, so just subtract PC from 1. And the answer is 0.9. For probability C prime intersect D prime, we had to use the Venn diagram to get the formula. Shade C prime first, followed by D prime. The intersection area is where there are two lines intersect. So the formula is 1 minus probability C union D. Substitute the value and calculate the answer. Example 2 is 5 graduates of equal ability apply for vacancy. Only one applicant will be successful. The applicants are Iqbal, Danish, Nabil, Azlan, and Hairi. Find the probability that Hairi will be successful. There are a total of 5 graduates, so the number of sample space is 5. Since person is unique, so the probability is 1 over 5. Probability Iqbal or Nabil will be successful is equals to probability Iqbal plus probability Nabil. Their probabilities are 1 over 5 respectively, so add them. Example 3 is a bag contains 5 blue balls, 6 pink balls, and 8 green balls. A ball is drawn randomly from the bag. Define the event first. By let B be the event of blue ball is selected, P be the event of pink ball is selected, and G be the event that green ball is selected. From the question, we know that the number of blue ball is 5, pink ball is 6, green balls is 8. The total of the ball inside the bag is 19. The probability to select pink ball is 6 over 19. Because there are possible 6 pink balls to be selected out of 19 balls. The probability to select pink or blue ball is the union of pink and blue. The probability to select pink or blue ball is the union of pink and blue, where it equals the sum of probability pink and blue balls only. There is no intersection of pink and blue ball. That's why probability P intersect B is 0.